Drug addiction is a global epidemic affecting millions of families. The most tragic consequence of first-time experimentation is not addiction, it's death. But what if you could take action to protect your family? Introducing Dr. Brown's Home Drug Testing System, the first FDA-approved diagnostic solution designed to empower families in the fight against substance abuse. It's not just a kit, it's a system. Unlike outdated paper tests, this is a professional, lab-based drug test for the 8 most common substances. Here's how it works. Step 1. Collect a sample. Step 2. Seal it in the provided vial. Step 3. Mail it with a prepaid label. Your results will be available online, anonymous, accurate, and easy to understand. With state-of-the-art lab testing, we ensure results you can trust, delivered confidentially and securely. Take the first step toward a safer home. Dr. Brown's Home Drug Testing System is more than a test, it's peace of mind, responsibility, and prevention. Act now to order your system and start building a safer future.